All right, so last weather observation. All of these are low point values, so I'm assuming they're going to be easier challenges. Oh, why is a subdomain on basic select? Let's see what the hard problems are. 15 days of learning. Interviews. Okay, we're not doing that. We're just doing basic select right now. So what we're doing is we're doing all the weather select. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Please tell me I copied the query. Nope, I copied the error. Okay, so select. Query the list of city names from station that do not start with vowels. Okay, cool. So I think it was challenge 6 where we had to do the ones that did start with vowels. So I'm just going to take the code and use, what was it called? De Lorentz rule or something? Basically, like you turn your, yeah, this is the one. You turn your like and to ors or something. So select city. I'm just gonna put a not in front. So all of these ors need to become Oh, that might have actually worked. Oh no, there's some. Okay, there should be no more ors in this code. No more ors in this city. And then if we get an error, we're going to check for duplicates. So just going, I don't see any. Yeah, I don't see any ones that start with non-vowels. Because, yeah, actually this one, it's really easy to get duplicates. Like, logically, that makes sense. And then conditional formatting. So I'm like, fair, yeah, of course there's duplicates. Because it was basically checking to see if it's a not. And so it makes sense the same city can get selected multiple times. So now I'm going to submit. I'm very confident this will work. I mean, doing the other challenges first made this so much easier. Okay, and then let's copy the query that do not end with vowels. And I'm assuming this one will be a combination. Yup, combination. That either. Okay, so. This one is just annoying data entry. But very, very doable. So, submit. Pretty sure this will work. So basically, it's literally the same as what we did in the part 2 video where we used, nice. We used the wildcard, and then what we're doing is, in the previous examples, you're using or, but because this one we're trying to do where it doesn't have vowels, we flip all the ors to and. So instead of saying condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3, because we're trying to find the ones that don't, it's not condition 1 and not condition 2 and not condition 3. And then, so that's how you flip it. You have to turn your ors to ands and ands to ors. Then, so this, it says that either do not start with vowels. Actually, I think we needed the code from both. Okay, yeah, I should not have X'd that out. So we're going to take the code from both. Oh, okay. So this is where it doesn't start with vowels. And then this is where it doesn't end with vowels. So here it wants that do not start with vowels, or, so just going to put this in parentheses, and then or, and then we're going to put this in parentheses, get rid of this, and then just straight up submit, because I'm pretty sure this will work. So all we did was we took the one where it checks to make sure it doesn't start with a vowel, and the one to where it doesn't end with a vowel, wrapped each one in a parenthesis so we isolate them or group them together, and then we use an or statement so that it checks for both. And in the next one we're just going to do the same thing, but the or turns into an and. So it's just very, very quick adjustment, and then submit. So yeah, these challenges a lot more straightforward. I was a little bit worried we were going to get hit with something like super, super difficult, which we will want to do, just we're still learning, not ready for that just yet. And so that's it for all of part 3. Those are very similar challenges to what we did in part 2, so very, very well prepared. And that's all.